6 minus 6 times 5 divided by 4. People do this like they solve this from left to right by doing 6 minus 6, which is equals to what? 6 minus 6 will give us 0 times 5 divided by what? 4. 5 times 0, any number times 0 is 0. So 5 times 0 times 5 is 0 divided by 4. 0 divided by 4 is 0. So this method of solving this question is very wrong. I have my PEMDAS rule here. PEMDAS says exponent, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we follow the rules from the left to right. If you meet multiplication first, you do it first. If you meet division first, you do it first. Whatever comes first, you have to follow the rules left to right. So now we have parentheses followed by exponent followed by multiplication. So multiplication and division have equal priority, okay? Same as addition and subtraction. But multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. That is why if you do this subtraction first, or this, if you do this subtraction first, you are going to get the wrong answer. So let's see the correct answer to this question. So we have our 6 minus 6 times 5 divided by what? 4. So now we are going to do this multiplication first because that's the rule of PEMDAS. So 6 times 5 will give us 30 divided by what? 4. Alright. So guys, now I want us to form this. Let's do this with a 30 divided by 4. I want us to write it in a fraction form. Bring down the negative sign. Then we have 6. Put over 1 here to make the fraction complete. So let's use butterfly method for this. So if we draw this first wing of the butterfly like this, alright, 30 times 1 will give us 30. Let's draw the second wing of the butterfly. 6 times 4 is going to give us what? 24. Alright, so this is the body. Guys, don't mind my butterfly. My butterfly looks very funny. Okay, so now 24 minus 30, right? 24 minus 30 is going to give us minus 6 over 4 times 1 is 4. So we have minus 6, all right? Minus 6 over 4. Now I think we can get this is improper fraction. So we can change it to a mixed fraction. 4 will go into 6 how many times? Ignore the negative sign first. 4 will go into 6 how many times? 1 times. 2 go 1. Remember what? 2. Then bring out our denominator here. So we have one whole number, 2 over 4. Then put your negative answer because the answer is carrying negative, okay? So 1 whole number, 2 over 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, okay? That's correct. So for our long division, I think we can get a long division answer too for this. So let's draw our long division sign. Ignore the negative sign first. Put your 6 here. Put your 4 here. 4 will go into 6 how many times? 1. 1 times 4 is what? 4. So when we subtract, we are going to have 6 minus 4 will give us 2. Alright? 4 cannot divide 2, so put our point here and add 0 into this. 20 divided by 4 is going to give us 5. 5 times 4 is 20. When we subtract, we are going to have 0. Alright? So we have 1.5 as our decimal answer. So we can add the negative sign, which is minus 1.5. So for this question, we have 3 answers, okay? So this is the first answer, which is a mixed fraction. This is the second answer. This is improper fraction, sorry. And this is the second answer, which is a mixed fraction. This is the third answer, which is what? A decimal. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, please comment and share this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get new videos every time we make one. Bye.